Hi, I'm Will Barnes, co-founder and director of Aduno. I'm a huge advocate for Airwards, and it was amazing, like last year, to see the innovative and worldwide impact that the entrants were having. I've now got the pleasure of announcing the winner of the Consultancy Award within the Supporting Services category. And the winner is Hover UAV with their BVLOS for a remote operations centre.
Hello, my name is Jackie Dumovic and I am the founder and CEO of drone solutions and consulting company Hover UAV. On behalf of my team here at Hover UAV, I'd like to say a huge thank you for selecting us to be the winner of this year's Consulting Award for our work with developing procedures and enabling true beyond visual line of sight from remote operations centres. This work will enable products like Drone in the Boxes to really take off. Once again, I'd like to say a huge thank you and we're very excited.